I don't know, it won't start.
What?
Just won't start.
You think it's the battery?
No.
You live your life by foolishness. From things you least require, take priority.
Today, I'm solo. Just kidding. I'm on my way to pick somebody up. A couple people up, actually. So right now, I'm on my way to pick up my friend Daniel. We're gonna ride around a little bit and go meet up with Mizziel. You guys remember Mizziel, right? Yeah. Today, I don't plan on torturing Mizziel. We're actually gonna go check out a Korean barbecue place in Fullerton. Mr. Barbecue, I believe the name of the place is. So it'll be a nice change of pace for her. I can't even tell you the last time I had Korean barbecue. It's been a long time. If you guys are wondering, yeah, the forks are still blown on this thing. I blew them out yesterday, so I haven't had time to get down to Chaparral and get it all fixed up. The funny part is, I'm gonna go down to Chaparral, drop this one off, and then pick up the GSXR and the Honda. I can't win with these bikes, man. I'm just too hard on them. And honestly, that's one of the reasons why I don't ride this bike hardly at all, because I don't know how to take care of the thing. Think about it. This bike's left my garage 5 times in 5 years, and every time I ride it, I break something on it. Like, look at that. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Get out of here, you little shit. Was that a Prius? All right, we're getting pretty close to my friend's house, and I don't want to show the world where the dude lives, so I'm gonna come back to you when I pick him up. See you in a minute. There's my friend Daniel. Good to see him. Now we're on our way to Orange, where we're gonna meet up with Mizziel. Did I tell you guys yet that it was hangover day today? It's been a while since I had a hangover day. Today is that day. Smoking cigarettes. Man, I was a smoker for a long time. I gave that up a couple of years ago and never looked back, thankfully. I don't know what it's like where you guys live, but where I live, if you're a smoker, you're looked at as a second-class citizen for the most part. Even if you smell like cigarettes, people are disgusted to be around you. It's becoming pretty rare to see people smoke. Oh. All right, open road. Sort of. Travis Matthew. Said it before, I'm gonna say it again. These EMT guys, those guys are heroes, man, and they make pennies. They don't make very much money at all, man. It's really sad. That industry kind of sucks from what I understand. I only know because I know a few EMTs. I guess for the most part, people become EMTs as like a stepping stone into the police force or a firefighter. But either way, they don't make very much money and they're out here saving lives. So when you see one, give them a thumbs up. That's a healthy dent. I'd wear that dent with pride. That's a good one. Okay, this is where we're meeting Mizziel. I don't see her bike anywhere. I think she's here.
It's going to be another good 45 minutes before she shows up.
Mizziel, you're only like 3 hours late, but you know, we're good.
Well, what's new?
What are you riding?
I am on my R9T today.
I like this bike. It's got a lot of style. And your bike? It's a shit box if I ever seen one. This thing's in worse shape than my GSXR. It is.
Oh, she's fine.
Oh, man. So do you guys know where we're going?
Nope.
When's the last time you had Korean barbecue?
I'm Asian. I have it all the time.
I haven't had Korean barbecue in probably over a year. So I'm really excited about this place. It's called Mr. Barbecue. It's in downtown Fullerton. It's off the charts with the reviews. So I imagine it's going to be pretty good. But you be the judge since you're the resident Asian.
The resident Asian.
That guy wants to give you a Brazilian. 500 feet, turn right. Then turn left on North Mission Avenue. Okay. It's got a GPS has me going through neighborhoods. Go on the sidewalk. Go on the sidewalk. Yeah. It's one way to do it. I think I just smashed my mirror up. Your destination is on the right. Man, there's a lot of people here. This place is busy. Why don't we just park on the sidewalk? Yeah, sidewalk. You tasked.
It's an hour and 15 minutes. I haven't eaten all day. We're gonna go get Del Taco across the street and try to sneak it in here.
Keep in
Are
mind
we
where we're
walking
at.
over there, or are we just walking?
Let's go.
He's hangry.
Oh.
What?
Oh no, we're good. Go, go, go.
Don't get us run over. Can we go through the drive-thru?
2 by $4 fish tacos. What?
2 by 4.
What? Sorry?
All the rollers have
Yes,
chicken?
they're chicken rollers.
Oh.
So they have chicken in the rollers.
Okay.
Sorry.
Can I do the queso and chipotle?
Remember, don't listen to the government. The earth is flat. Do you think they'll let us bring this into the Mr. Barbecue?
Oh wait, no, we have to smuggle it.
We have
Here.
to smuggle it in.
Hold on.
Mr. Barbecue, what'd you think, dude?
It's good.
Yeah?
I can't even ride.
I don't know, especially after that Del Taco. What about you, Miss Mizziel?
That was actually really legit Korean barbecue.
Would you say top 5 you've ever had?
I would say so, yeah.
Top 3?
I would say that's in the top 3.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you guys are into Korean barbecue, check out Mr. Barbecue in Fullerton. What are we doing now, Dave and Buster's?
Going to Dave and Buster's.
We're gonna continue the party at Dave and Buster's.
This f***ing bike, it won't start. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? I can't get the bike to start. Will it start in neutral? Come on, dude, really? Oh my God.
What happened?
I don't know, it won't start.
What?
Just won't start.
Do you think it's the battery?
No. I turned the bike off to adjust the clutch and now it won't start.
Alright, let's bump it. Are you going to walk it along the sidewalk?
No, I'm gonna start it and ride it.
Oh, okay.
You f***ing mother.
Wait, on the sidewalk? You want me to?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, second gear.
Well, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Go. Let me know when.
I'm ready.
Okay, go.
Yeah. What the f***? I can't shut the bike off. Maybe there's a wire I could cut that'll bypass the clutch ignition part of it, because you have to pull in the clutch to start this bike, and I think that's kind of the problem. This bike has really shitty aftermarket levers, and I bet they just weren't installed right. Dave and Buster's. Yeah, all right. Hey, the guy's saving a spot for us. Where was he? I lost him. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. Look, this won't start still.
Oh, well, at least we can bump it here. What if I had kill switched you?
Then I would have been fine.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's push your bike.
All right, pushy push.
Is that good?
Fast.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Yeah, here, let's flip it around and go the other direction.
Why is this such a f***ing nightmare situation? Like, what is happening right now? This is f***ing crazy.
Oh, people keep getting tricked by our spot.
Oh, that's why. We should pull our bikes out a little because that does annoy me too when I'm like, oh,
It annoys me too, but it also makes me really happy.
Ready? We got her going. Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Alright, friends. Dude, we kind of had a fun day. Minus the issues with the Triumph, I had a lot of fun today. And I hope you guys did too. I'm glad we hung out today. Anyway. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a new video. If you aren't yet, subscribe to my dirt bike channel. Lots of wrecks and craziness over there, man. I'm having a lot of fun doing that. Huge shout out to all the Patreons of the channel. You guys are the best. You know I love each and every one of you. Wouldn't want to do this without you. Big love to the channel sponsors. Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad for keeping me out of trouble. You guys need a lawyer, man. I'm telling you, he's a bulldog. Give him a ring. Voss Helmets for keeping my head intact. And let's not forget LUIMOTO, designer seats. Remember guys, these companies can spend their money any way they want. It's their choice to support this channel, so let's make sure we support the companies that support the channel. Love you all. Catch you next time. Later.